Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your limited edition earpads for the Fostex T50RP. First, remove the stock pads by gently pulling them off the lip mount. Next, grab your new earpads by Dekoni Audio. The pads are symmetrical and can be mounted on either side. Our pads have a flexible mounting ring that allows them to easily stretch over the mounting lip. Insert the edge of the lip mount into the groove of the headphone, slowly stretching it around the rest of the headphone while holding the starting point in place with your other hand. Align the front stitching of the pad towards the front of the headphone, and repeat once more. Now you're ready to enjoy the enhanced comfort and sound of your earpads by Dekoni Audio.